can understand the topic first, right? So now you got idea about this service models, right? So mainly we are using these three service models: software has a service, platform has a service, infrastructure has a service, right? Software has a service. This service belongs to clients or the end users. Platform has a service. This service belongs to developers, right? Infrastructure has a service, architects. And example of this software has a service like a Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, whatever the apps we are using, right? And platform has a service like a online compilers, right? So mainly who will be providing like a Microsoft Azure, right? And infrastructure has a service, it will be providing all the resources, right? All the resources, servers, networks, computing, whatever they need to run their application or a website in a cloud. Okay, whenever the users are increasing and decreasing, at that time they need huge number of infrastructures. Okay, so mainly this layer will be utilized by the architects, right? So next we will move to the next. So platform has a service. Okay, the first A is nothing but this layer. Okay, this all layers, okay, whatever the steps are there in this, okay, this is belongs to infrastructure has a service. Okay, and second, what is this? Platform has a service, developer will be using this Paas. Okay, Paas. And third is a SaaS. So what I said, first of all, SaaS means we are the users. We people, what we are doing, we are not at all developing and we are not at all bothering about the code. Simply what we are doing, installing the application and utilizing the services, right? So we are not at all worrying about what kind of application it is, okay, which data is available in that, okay, who developed and how it was tested, okay, what are the middlewares they have used, what are the interfaces they have used. We are not at all bothering about that, right? Which operating system they have used. Okay, for example, if I am using any Facebook app, okay, so how it was developed, who it was developed, which operating system it was using, okay, where it is located, okay, we are not at all worrying about that. Networks, storage, okay, where it is stored and who will be providing all the computing resources, okay, and how this Facebook virtualizations means how many places in how many data centers it has located, and which servers are handling, okay, where the servers are located are Hyderabad or some US or some other locations. We are not at all bothering about these all things in software as a service. These all things will be controlled and managed by whom? Service providers, right? So clear my first point. Here users are no need to worry about applications, data, development, testings, middleware, operating systems, storage, compute, and these all things, okay? These all things will be controlled, okay, control, manage, okay, by whom? Service providers. Okay, by whom? Service providers. Simply user, what they will be doing? Installing that app and utilizing the services, whatever the services are utilizing, for that only he will be paying. Okay, for that only he will be paying. Pay as you go. Okay, that's it. In this software has a service. So examples like Gmail, Dropbox, okay, Dropbox, Instagram, Facebooks, all the applications will be coming in that, right? So that is the software has a service. These all things will be controlled and managed by service providers, right? So coming to this platform has a service. Okay, platform has a service. Mainly I said that this layer belongs to developers. Developers, what he can do? Okay, he will be writing the code. Okay, some Python or Java, by using he will be writing the code, he will be having the application, he will be having the coding, okay, data. After that he want to run that code. Okay, he don't have that particular softwares in their machines, right? So what the developer will be doing? to deploy their code, okay, to deploy their code, to test their output. Here they will be going for this service providers, okay. In platform as a service, what they will be providing? They will be providing a development, okay, or testing platform for the developer, so that whatever the code or the data with this developer, he can deploy and run in that, okay, like online compilers, okay. And remaining middlewares will be provided, okay. Operating system support, network, storage, compute, virtualizations, and servers. These all things will be provided by whom? This managed and controlled by service providers, right? But coming to the SaaS, everything will be controlled and managed by them, okay. There is a no headache for the users, right? Here developer, just they have to maintain these things. They have to check about their kind of applications, what are the code and whatever the data they need to deploy, okay. They have to take care about these two things, right, in platform as a service, right? And coming to this infrastructure as a service, this infrastructure as a service, mainly it belongs to architects, right? So architects will be using. Architects means, here architects, what they will be doing? They are having their applications, they are having their code data, everything, right? They are having the platform, okay, softwares also to run that applications, middleware supported softwares, interfaces will be there, and operating system for that also is there, right? So whenever their application or anything is there, they want to deploy into the cloud, okay. This is my some blood bank website, okay. Blood bank website, I have these all things. I have developed my website, I am maintaining with my single laptop, right? But whenever the huge number of requirements are there, I am unable to maintain with my this laptop. So what I will be doing? I want to move this into the cloud, right? Here I can't purchase this network storage, okay, permanently, right? So simply what I will be doing? Approaching to this service providers. The service providers, you provide me some network, storage, compute, virtualizations, and servers. Whenever my applications are users are increasing, or subscribers or viewers are increasing, according to that you also increase the resource, and provide these all things, okay, to their applications. For this purpose only, here infrastructure as a service, okay. These things are only controlled and managed by whom? Service providers, and remaining part will be managed by whom? Users, right? So that is the infrastructure as a service. So for example, I think everyone like and loves pizza, right? Right, everyone are interested to eat this pizza, right? I think so, right? So here pizza, what you will be doing, I will be comparing this example with these three services, so here pizza, what I don't know cooking of pizza, okay. How to prepare, I don't have that all ingredients, and I don't have that ovens, or I don't have anything. Simply in this first case, software as a service, in this first case, what I will be doing means, simply I will be using the application like a Swiggy, Zomato, or some other food applications I am using. What I will be doing? Okay, going to that particular menu, okay, selecting the type, whatever the type or kind of a food you need, okay. I am selecting like a pizza, pizza with some toppings, okay, pizza with some chicken, or pizza with some list will be provided based on your need, based on the need and the requirement. User will be, what he will be doing? Just ordering, okay, whatever the product or whatever the pizza they have selected, for that amount will be generated, and that amount will be paid by the user, right? So now user no need to worry about that pizza, who developed that pizza, what ingredients they have added, okay, which brand cheese and butter they have used, okay, what kind of vegetables they have used, okay, in which platform they have cooked, like a oven or anything else, okay. We are not at all bothering about these all things, and who have prepared this pizza, right, who have prepared this pizza, okay, these all things we are not at all bothering. Simply what we are doing, selecting the product, right, and after arrivals of that product we are paying that for that amount, that's it, right. And we are not at all bothering who is the delivery boy, how that delivery boy will be coming on a vehicle or on something else, okay. We are not at all bothering how he is bringing, okay, from where he is bringing. We are not at all bothering. Simply the product is delivered to you, you are utilizing for whatever you are utilizing, for that you are paying the amount to them, right. So here no headache of these all things, ma, okay. So if you want to eat a pizza directly, you will be ordering and utilizing that service and paying for that, okay. That is a software as a service, right. Coming to this platform as a service now, here I want take same example, pizza, okay. Here what here I am having pizza base, ma, okay. Whatever the ingredients are there, I have these all things, okay. So what I will be doing on pizza, I will add all the cheese and all the ingredients on this. So to cook this, I have these two things, okay. Application is there, data is there, okay. I'm having these two things. So now to cook these things, I don't have that ovens, okay. I don't have the ovens. If I want to store any cheese or vegetables in the fridges, okay, I don't have that all things, okay. To cook that all things, we need some ovens and some instruments for that, okay. We don't have these all things. So in this case, what I will be doing means, I will switching to this service providers, okay. What I will be doing, preparing my pizza and everything, just I will be cooking here, okay. I will be cooking here, whatever the temperature ovens, kind of ovens they will be providing, and you will be cooking and you will be utilizing, okay. So that is the platform as a service, right. And next so in this software as a service, here chef, things, everything they will be taking care of that, ma. Here you will be developing, okay. No need of the chef, just to cook that all things, you need the ovens and whatever the required ingredients are there, you will be approaching to the service providers. Now coming to the infrastructure as a service, okay. In this, you are the chef, right. You are having some pizza base, you have all the ingredients and all the toppings whatever you want to develop, and you have oven also, ma, okay. One oven, right. So you can cook, okay, up to some 10 pizzas or some 5 pizzas you can cook in this oven, one oven. But whenever the users means, whenever you want to cook more than 50 or 100 in that single oven, it is not at all possible, right. So what you will be doing in infrastructure as a service, you will be approaching to these service providers, okay. You will be providing all some bases and pizzas, okay, some 100 pizzas, okay, you are giving to them, okay. They will be having some big ovens, okay. In that they will in a single shot, okay, they will be storing and cooking, okay. They will be taking care about that all things, right. So whenever you are increasing or decreasing your count, okay, they can cook and they will be providing, but these all things will be prepared by you only, okay. Just you are using their oven, fridges and storage, okay, to store that all things. You don't have fridge also, right. So bulk storage, right, you can't store in that. So at that time also you will be approaching to the service providers. They will be providing, how they will be providing the service, okay, how much quantity, okay, how many for how many months or days you will be putting, for that you pay the amount, okay. Like that they will be charging for the users, right. So this is about the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, okay. That is one type of the example, ma, right. So second type of the example, Have you understand? I think so. Whatever the first example, we'll see second example also, right? So now our G6 want to develop one website, ma. Okay, he don't have any knowledge about what will be the front end, what will be the back end, and what will be the database, and how to write the code. Okay, these all things he don't have any idea. Now G6 want to he is doing one business, ma. Okay, that business become very famous. Now he want to spread that business through world wide web. Okay, world wide web he want to spread. Okay, he don't have any knowledge about these all things, what is front end, back end, what is the code, what I have to write, these all things he don't know, right? So simply what this G6 will be doing in software as a service, I'm talking about this software as a service, ma. Okay, so simply G6 will be approaching to the service provider and giving his information. Yes, service provider, I need the website. Okay, whatever my business are there, okay, like mobiles business or like a clothing business or anything, you select anything. Okay, he will giving the information. Okay, image and price, cost, everything he will be saying. This website should be look like this, and everyone should be access to that. If they order also, I need to get information through my mobile. Okay, like that you are giving some information to the service provider. What this service provider will be doing, he will be developing that applications, collecting that type of a data. Okay, what kind of a business you are doing, and he will be taking care about all the things, right? So finally what this SaaS service provider will be doing, he developed one website, or whatever our G6 said that I need one application. Okay, so he developed one application and gave that application to the, okay, this G6, right? So he have what he does, he took that application and deployed that application into the cloud. Just what he doing, he is paying the amount for that. He is not at all bothering about the data, what he developed, which architecture he has done, which operating system they have used, what kind of interfaces are there, middleware support. Okay, where this application is stored, he is not at all worrying about these things. Okay, this whole headaches will be maintained by, okay, maintained and controlled by the service provider. Just what this G6 will be doing, he is paying the amount for that particular applications, right? So that is the one example. But coming to this platform as a service, now our L6, okay, we'll take L6. L6 is having some idea, ma. Like he is having the application. Okay, website like front end, he knows something. Okay, front end ante entidi, back end ante entidi. Okay, which code should be there. Okay, he is having some data and kind of applications, right? So here what the things he don't have here, to deploy that application, he don't have that particular platform, that particular software. So what he will be doing, he will be approaching to the service providers, right? So the service providers will be providing a platform to this L6. Okay, you can run your application and check the output here. Okay, and provide the supported middlewares and operating systems also, right? This cloud service providers, they won't say that you have developed your application in some C language, right? We won't deploy your application in the other language. They won't provide that all rules, right? Already we discuss on this also. Okay, so they will be providing the operating system supports and network according to the user need and the requirement. They will be increasing and decreasing these all the resources, right? That is the platform as a service, right? So at last here again our B3 will be coming into the picture now. B3, what he will be saying here, I have knowledge about like he is having like a knowledge about what should be a front end, what should be a back end, ఓకే బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఎలా ఉంది ఓకే ఆయన ఏం చేస్తాడు హీ విల్ బి డెవలపింగ్ అండ్ రన్నింగ్ ఆన్ హిస్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఓకే బై యూజింగ్ హిస్ ల్యాప్టాప్ హీ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ మిడిల్ వేర్స్ and supported operating systems also, right? He can manage these all things with his single laptop. Now here whenever the users are increasing, now he want to move his applications into the cloud. At that time he need huge resources. Okay, whenever he need huge resources and support, computing power or networks, okay, storage facilities, servers, and number of servers they need means, at that time whatever b3 will be doing, he will be approaching to the service providers, infrastructure as a service providers. What he will be saying, yes, I have developed my applications for 1 month or 6 months. I will put my application into your cloud. Okay, service provider, you take care about my application. Whenever the users are coming, you increase according to that all the resources or decrease. Okay, so whatever the resources are provided by the service providers, for that only here bill will be generated. That bill will be paid by whom? B3. Okay, B3 will be paying this bill. Okay, like that infrastructure as a service will be providing a service, right? Now I think everyone got a clarity on this infrastructure, SaaS and Paas. Any doubts in this?